Even though I've been here 15 years, I have not always, not quite, cooked the Thanksgiving meal. I mean, I've done dishes here and there, but not like the actual Thanksgiving. So, this is interesting. And I'm so confused. I do have a list, but at the same time, I'm like, oh my God, this is a freaking turkey I have to bake and marinate. And I don't even eat turkey. I eat chicken, and that's it. Sometimes I eat steak, beef steak. But to actually cook the American Thanksgiving, this is gonna be interesting. Anybody volunteer to help? No? Anybody? Yeah. Oh God, help me.